Welcome to OfferMarket. In this video, we're going to show you how to use our affiliate program to monetize your lender referrals. To generate your unique referral link, go straight to offermarket.us/my/loans. You will be prompted to sign in or create your free account. Click the button to generate and copy your referral link and share it with real estate investors looking for DSCR loans and fix and flip loans. They'll get a $250 lender fee discount on their settlement statement, and you'll get $250 in cash or credits once their loan is funded. It takes less than a minute for your referrals to receive their instant quote and begin processing their loan. Let's take a look at how easy it is for your referrals to submit their loan application for an instant quote based on deal-specific and borrower-specific inputs. It's important to note that we do not pull the borrower's credit until later in the process once they sign our credit release authorization. In their loan file, they can review their preliminary loan terms, download their pre-approval letter, indicate their intent to proceed with OfferMarket as their lender, and process their loan entirely online. OfferMarket doesn't just provide your referrals with the most competitive terms for DSCR loans and fix and flip loans. We provide the easiest and most streamlined borrowing experience. This results in higher converting referrals and higher referral income. Our most successful affiliates are real estate investors, wholesalers, agents, brokers, influencers, media partners, and bloggers who share their unique referral link on social, email campaigns, and add the link on their website. We designed this program to be the easiest way for you to monetize your lender referrals. From your My Loans page in your OfferMarket account, you can track the status of each referral on demand with complete transparency. Once your referrals reach funded status, you can claim your $250.